This is Himmi's gaming desk. This 63-inch desktop is made of a sleek carbon fiber top that is waterproof and wear-resistant. It is ergonomically designed with rounded corners and 3 cm thickened metal frame T-shaped legs. The adjustable leg pads ensure the table keeps a sturdy construction even on uneven ground without wobbling. It features a cup holder, a headphone hook, a gaming handle rack, even a double cable manage hole, and an exclusive power strip box, saving space for ample legroom and the comfy gaming experience. This gaming table is designed specifically for all your gaming gear so that you can focus on your battling game. Also, the table is spacious enough to be used as your home office desk and is easy to assemble with included instructions. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is its organized adjustable gaming or computer desk. It features a large size and high-precision mousepad, and this adjustable with a 5-level mechanical lifting height suits the most comfortable posture. It has 2 cable managers diameter with each of 2 inches. It has round safe corners and provides almost 3 monitors supporting or 165 pounds max load with accuracy assemble. The adjustable leg pads ensure the table keeps a sturdy construction even on uneven ground without wobbling. It is a perfect gaming or office desk with adjustable height and a large onboard mousepad. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is GALAXHERO's ultimate 61 inches large gaming desk. With a durable carbon fiber surface and ergonomic arc design, this gamer desk is great for any setup. The gaming table is 61 inches wide and 27.6 inches deep, ensuring you have got space for 2 monitors, your full-size keyboard, and comes with a full surface cloth mousepad. Powered by a USB cable, multicolor LED lighting surrounds the tabletop and desk legs for a gaming desk glow up, especially at night. It also features 9 colors and 22 dynamic modes. This gaming table immerses you in the vivid, colorful atmosphere that adds to the overall gaming experience. This gaming desk is made from top-grade MDF board and a strong steel and alloy frame, and can support up to 440 pounds, and can firmly support all your gaming gear and accessories. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is DESIGNA's gaming desk with LED lights, which glows with a cool blue light for a better leisure and gaming experience. This gaming desk has a sleek carbon fiber texture and the surface has plenty of space for your monitors, keyboard, and other items. It's an arm reach away and can fit small and large cups, and also comes with a headphone hook. The desk adopts strong metal and wood to construct the frame that ensures the desk has an excellent bearing capacity and a longer service time. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Homax's gaming computer desk. There is armor around the corners of this gaming table, which not only prevents small objects from falling but also features a USB interface LED lighting with the table legs lighting design, which lets you have a more fashionable and cool game atmosphere. This gaming desk is designed for every gamer to experience immersive gaming pleasure. Ergonomic gaming desk body arc design, larger carbon fiber surface, and convenient double cable holes that can provide high-quality equipment support for your games. This gaming desk has a safe and stable headphone holder, cup holder, and multi-function controller stand. More stable and everything are within reach. Multi-function controller stand can provide you with more convenient desktop storage. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.